In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable data saver on Facebook Messenger. So when data saver is enabled, it means that images and videos can be downloaded using your mobile data. So let me show you how you can turn data saver off on your Facebook Messenger. Now to get started, go to Messenger and you see I'm in my Messenger here, and then go to menu here and tap on it. From here, look for settings option and then tap on it. And under this, scroll down until you see data saver, and you can see my data saver option is here. As you can see, currently my data saver is enabled, and I'd like to go ahead and to disable. To disable data saver, just go ahead and toggle this off. And now my data will not be used to download videos and images on Facebook Messenger. So that's how you disable data saver on your Facebook Messenger. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.